Oh, morning YouTube. It is early. Whew. It's about 7:30-ish. I've just woken up, so excuse the hair. So busy day today. Want to make sure that I've got a few deliveries I need to pick up. Need to do a bit of shopping. Probably check out the local fish store. And I need to pick up some DIY supplies, so hence the early start. So the room's still a bit of a tip since the electrical work's been done. So let's get out of the mess and let's get outdoors. So let's get a few jobs done. We'll come back. I've got some exciting unboxings and we'll crack on with today's video. It's too early to be cheery. Let's just do it. Okay, so we got a ton of things to get done. So let's crack on and let's get started. Okay, so we're out in one of my favourite places. So this is the park. It's about 2 minutes away from my house, if that. But the interesting thing is, this used to be a zoo, which is crazy. It's huge. But considering we've all been on lockdown, these things are amazing when they're so close to your house. But we've got some chores to do. Got a parcel to collect. I gotta get some stuff for the house and some boring normal life stuff. So we'll go do that. Get on to the fun stuff. Thank you. Okay, so that's shopping done. Let's go and collect the parcel. I don't actually know where it is, so you'll find out when I do. But let's get on with it. Damn you, post office! So today's been pretty much just a washout. Being able to try and collect the parcel. Parcel place closed. It's open 7 till 9 in the morning. 2 hours, that really? No thank you. So I think I'll pick that up on the weekend. But I've got something I know you'll be really excited about to unbox when we get back. But this leaves me such a washout, I think we'll go and grab a coffee from my favourite place and get on with the day. But let's head back through the park now and grab a coffee. Hi, you're right. Can I get a flat white, please? Flat white? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Makes everything better, and that's literally my favourite place to go. So, why don't we head back to the rainforest room now and get on with some normal things. Coffee, shopping, what's going on? I'll see you in a bit. Okay, what a morning. Early start, and what have you done? Absolutely nothing. So, never mind, I get other things I can get on with, but disappointing, I want to pick up that package just because I had a day off. Things have been really busy again lately. I've gone back into the office, back into work, so that's full time again, and obviously trying to sort things like this out. Now, I wanted to pick up some DIY supplies to try and carry on fixing these walls from where the plugs have been done. Closed. Went to the local fish store. Closed. Did I pick up my shopping? Yes, but who cares? So Bit of a disappointing start, but we've got some unboxings to do nonetheless, and I'm quite excited about this one. And for you that are dweebs like me when it comes to aquascaping, I think you'll like it too. So let's get on with today's video. Okay, so after the disaster this morning, we still got an unboxing to do, which I think this is probably the more exciting one anyway. I think the one we missed was probably an extra calcium powder for birds, so I've already got 2 here anyway, so that's not a problem. So we're just going to unbox this now. Now, just to pre-warn you, I don't need this for anything right now, but it's probably some Hardscape. And if you packaging. So I get a lot of you ask me, where do I get my Hardscape from, particularly wood, rocks, things like that. So I get them from lots of different places. Now this is from Aqua Essentials, I think. No, Riverwood Aquatics, sorry. And I'll leave the link in the description for you if you want to go and check them out. But they posted on Instagram the other day, they've got some Manzanita wood, small stuff. And I thought I'd pick it up now because I know I'm going to run it for one of the ADA setups in the future, and when you look for it, you can never find it. When you don't need it, it's always available. So that's the way it goes. So that's what we've done. So we've got, they are small branches, but as you can see, it's quite a variation in sizes and shapes. And this would make for an amazing sort of intricate scape, especially in a small ADA system. Like, look at the finer details in that. I'll show you in a sec. So we've got, I think we've got some small, which are these bags. I think it was $9.99. Yeah, $9.99 each for these. So what's that, about $13, $14 a pack. So we've got 3, 4. Can't even remember how many ordered. So we've got 4 of the small by the looks of it. Ooh, and we got 3 of the large. Exciting times, and forgot what I ordered. Okay, so some of the large, some nice pieces in there. Amazing to get a bit of variation. And I think sometimes you can go looking for that perfect piece of wood and just never find it. So I tend to find that it's sometimes better when you can make a structure out of a few different pieces. So I want to lay this down now and we'll take a look. Okay, so we're going old school, we're getting on the phone, I think it's just a bit easier. But as you can see, I've got plenty of words. Now, I could probably make 4 nanoscapes, 5 nanoscapes out of this potentially. I'm not going to, because it's always good to keep some on hand when you don't think you're going to need it. But also, it's nice to have Hardscape in bulk like this, because it's better to, I always find it's better to keep the same sort of materials in one scape just to get that consistent look. But it's going to be hard to show you exactly what's in here until we start using it. But we've got some supplies for some scapes. Amazing. So really happy with that, and I'm sure we'll make something really interesting out of it. Now if you've got any suggestions on what you think we should do with it, or what sort of scape we should go for, then hit me up in the comments section below. Okay, so again, apologies for not sort of the usual content. I know that a lot of you like to see the animals in the enclosures, but as I've said in the past, you know, we need to get the room sorted in order to do that and move forward with this room. Whew, but I'd love to know what you guys think of the sort of content that I'm putting out at the moment. I try and experiment all the time and try and add new things in just so we don't get stagnant. Obviously it's been more of a vlog style recently, and I know I've shown myself out and about, and in today's video was no exception. So let me know what you guys think of those sort of things, because if you don't tell me you don't like it, as I said in the past, I'll keep on making it. So again, like I've mentioned in past videos as well, if you feel like you've got something you'd like to show off in this channel, like enclosure, animal, tips, tricks, or any advice at all, then make sure you let me know. You can message me on Instagram, Facebook, let me know on the YouTube feed, and I'll try and include you. Now, I do have somebody I want to give a shout out to. He hasn't asked me to, but he's a fellow Welsh aquascaper. And if you're from Wales, you probably realise there's not that many people around, or I certainly know if they do aquascaping. So somebody I've spoken to on Instagram in the past, and we've got chatting, and his name is Williams. Now, I'll put a link in the description for his channel and for some of his videos. He's definitely a talented scaper, and go and check him out. So again, if any of you want me to include anything in the next couple of videos, make sure you let me know. I'll give you a shout out and drop your details down in the description. But I think that's enough from me waffling on for one day. I think we've done quite a lot, even though we didn't get a lot done that we planned on. But we've got some new scaping materials. I'm going to carry on ploughing on with this, trying to tidy this room a little bit and get some of the work done we need to move forward. But as always, if you can do me a massive favour, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you're not subscribed already. And for those of you loyal followers, you can just drop me a thumbs up and just to drop me a comment, just to show YouTube you're enjoying this sort of content and allows me to make more videos like these. But again, thanks for staying patient and persevering through while we go through this transition period. Check out the next video, make sure you hit that bell icon, and I'll see you next time.